Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by naming the exact triggers and setting immediate barriers. This reduces decision fatigue. Once done, remove saved material, log out of accounts, and install simple site blocks or device limits. You should pick a measurable first goal, 24-hour abstinence, then a moving 7-day target to build momentum. Make sure to tell one trusted person your first day plan so you have accountability and a quick check-in when urges spike. Once you have the first days behind you, restructure your daily routine so urges have no empty windows to exploit. You replace the habit loop by scheduling 30 to 90-minute alternative activities. Exercise, creative work, social time, right where triggers used to occur. Make sure to add a brief daily journal and an accountability contact at fixed times. This keeps progress visible. Also practice short mindfulness sessions and urge surfing techniques to weaken automatic responses over time. You finalize by creating sustainable systems, ongoing therapy or peer support, a relapse plan, and measurable tracking of days sober and mood trends. Once established, review progress weekly and refine blocks, routines, or support contacts as needed. If a relapse happens, do not self-flagellate. Pause, analyze the immediate trigger, adjust your plan, and re-engage supports immediately. Make sure to prioritize early reactivation of accountability and a short corrective plan to regain.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.